Hey friends, happy Homesteader here. If your garden is overflowing with cucumbers right now, I've got the perfect recipe for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make easy, quick pickles that are not only delicious, but shelf-stable, so you can enjoy them all year long. No fancy equipment, no complicated steps. Just good old-fashioned homestead canning made simple. Here's the thing. Quick pickles are tasty, but most recipes are just for the fridge. That's fine if you'll eat them in a week or two. But what if you want that tangy crunch in January? That's where this shelf-stable method comes in. It locks in flavor, keeps your pantry stocked, and helps you make the most of your cucumber harvest without wasting a single one. This method will help you create a pantry that works for you all year round. You only need a few basic ingredients. Fresh cucumbers, small to medium for best crunch, white vinegar or apple cider vinegar with 5% acidity, water, and pickling salt, garlic cloves, fresh dill, highly recommended, and pickling spices like mustard seeds, peppercorns, maybe a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like heat. Quality ingredients make all the difference. Look for firm cucumbers and fresh aromatic herbs and spices. Wash your jars in hot, soapy water, rinse, and keep them warm. You can run them through the dishwasher or put them in a pot of simmering water until ready to fill. Same with your lids. Just keep them warm, not boiling. Wash them well, trim the blossom ends, and slice or leave whole depending on your preference. Spear cuts are perfect for sandwiches, slices for burgers, and whole pickles for snacking. In a large pot, combine equal parts vinegar and water, and add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt per quart of liquid. Bring it to a boil to dissolve the salt completely. Into each jar, add garlic, dill, and pickling spices. Pack your cucumbers in tightly, but don't crush them. Pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. The hot brine will help ensure proper preservation and that satisfying pickle flavor. Run a clean utensil or bubble remover around the inside of the jar to release any trapped air. Wipe the rims, place lids on top, and screw bands fingertip tight. Place jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes, adjusting for altitude. This step ensures they're sealed and shelf-stable. Timing is crucial for food safety and proper preservation. When time's up, remove them and let them cool for 12 to 24 hours. You'll hear that satisfying pop as they seal. That popping sound means success. Your pickles are now shelf-stable. Once cooled, check your seals. Any unsealed jars go straight into the fridge. Store sealed jars in a cool, dark place for up to a year. And remember, pickles taste even better after a couple of weeks as the flavors meld together. And that's it. Easy, quick pickles from your cucumber harvest that will stay fresh on your pantry shelf for months. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how yours turned out. And if you love growing, preserving, and eating your own food, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a homestead kitchen tip. Until next time, happy canning!